IAGA is the International Association of Geomagnetism and Aeronomy. So it's a international, global community of scientists who work on everything that's related to the geomagnetic field, to electromagnetic induction in the Earth, to the ionosphere, to the magnetosphere, to the solar terrestrial interactions and space weather and the processes on the Sun that are relevant for that. As such, IAGA does not require any formal membership, but everyone who works on these fields is welcome as a member of the IAGA community. IAGA covers a broad range of topics, and therefore it is organized in several divisions and working groups. So first there are 6 divisions. The first one deals with the internal geomagnetic field, with magnetic field models, with paleomagnetism, everything to do with these topics. The second one is more about the atmosphere and the ionosphere. Then there's division 3 that works on the magnetosphere, everything to do with the magnetosphere and magnetospheric physics. There's division 4 that is especially about the solar terrestrial relations and the Sun and even the heliosphere. And then there's division 5 that deals specifically with measurements of the Earth magnetic field from the ground, from the satellites, all the kind of measurements that we have. And then there's division 6 that is about electromagnetic induction and magnetotellurics and methods to probe the Earth with geomagnetic field variations. Some of these divisions have individual working groups that are very active, but each division is structured in its own way depending on how it best suits its sub-community. And in addition, there are also commissions, interdivisional commissions. There's an interdivisional commission on space weather, interdivisional commission on history, the interdivisional commission on developing countries, and the interdivisional commission on education and outreach. So another example for the useful activities of IAGA to the community is, for example, that every 5 years a working group of IAGA develops the international or the update of the International Geomagnetic Reference Field that finds very wide use both in science but also for practical applications. That's really an international common activity. Every group that wants to can submit candidate models to that. And everyone who wants to can become a member of the evaluator group and of the group who then decides how to combine these different candidate models to the final product that gets then adopted by the group and is valid for the next 5 years.